At Sunday, we love our dogs. Sometimes our dogs don't love our lawns. We get those frustrating pet spots. That's why we came up with Pet Patch. This is our soil remediation product for pet damaged lawns. It has humic acid, it has seaweed, and it has surfactant in it, which helps pull out urea and lactic acid from the top of damaged soil areas so your grass can grow back in green and natural. We'll just unbox the Pet Patch, get it all set up, and show you how to apply it. Pull out the pouch, you're gonna have to attach the hose and sprayer to the top here. There are really easy to use instructions in the box as well. Just attach it simply to your hose. Nice and tight in there so you don't get any leaks. And get it over to your pet spot. Here we have a typical damaged area on your lawn from dog pee. You can see the yellow area here, the actual bare spot in the center where the grass is completely died off. You have toxic soil conditions. Sometimes you'll actually see a brighter green ring in the outside where actually the little nitrogen from the urea actually fertilize the area. This is old enough where that's not there anymore. But the first thing we need to do is wash those toxins out of the soil. We're gonna use Pet Patch to do that and spray it on for about 10 to 15 seconds per spot. I like to walk my entire lawn area, hit all the damaged spots for about 15 seconds each, and then the final step is just to water it in.